If you've been wanting to make your own reusable menstrual pads but don't have a sewing machine, this video is for you. It is beginner friendly and I've listed all the things you'll need in the description box below. This is a free pattern I made that you can easily download and print at home. Double check to ensure it has been printed correctly by measuring this square. First, start by cutting piece B and attach it to piece A with tape. Then attach piece C to piece D. Now that you have the main piece assembled, cut both pattern pieces. Place the core pattern on top of the core fabric. Trace the pattern with a pen. Then cut along the line. I'm making a lightweight menstrual pad, which is why the core is only one layer. Take the topper fabric and give the fabric a good press. Lay the fabric wrong side up, then place the main pattern on top and trace. Place the core on top of the topper. Pin it into place, and now we're ready for sewing. You'll need at least an arm's length of sewing thread. To start, instead of tying a knot, sew 3 backstitch on the same spot. This will secure the thread. Then sew a running stitch around the core, securing it to the topper. When you reach the end, sew another 3 backstitch on the same spot. Then cut the excess thread. Now take the topper, backing, and waterproof layer, should you be using one, and ensure there aren't any creases. I'm using PUL for the waterproof layer and laying the shiny side down. For the backing, lay it right side up on top of the waterproof layer. Then place the topper with the core facing you. And pin the layers together. Before starting to sew, use a pen to mark the opening. This is where we are going to turn the pad inside out. To start, sew 3 backstitch on the same spot. Instead of a running stitch, sew a back stitch along the line. When you reach the end, sew another 3 backstitch on the same spot. Then cut the excess thread as well as the excess fabric. Turn the menstrual pad right side out. You can use a chopstick to help to push the edges. I'm using a fabric shear because I'm lazy. Give the pad a good press while reshaping it. This will help hold the shape. To finish, sew 3 back stitch on the same spot. Then sew a running stitch around the menstrual pad. When you reach the end, sew another 3 back stitch on the same spot, then cut the excess thread. Choose your preferred snap fastener, then install it. If you have any questions or requests, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.